Hello guys, ito ngayon gagawa tayo ng obra maestra, highlights at saka kulay. Damihan natin yung highlights para maganda siya, saka kakainin ng highlights mo yung kulay mo. Ayan guys, yan siya. Kita niyo yung buhok niya, ayan. Ayan siya. Yan, kulay itim at may konting kulay na brown.
May konting kulay na kalawang.
Na kalawang. Babaguhin natin to ang konting kalawang na yan. See you later. Hello guys, ito na ang final destination. Ito na ang final look niya. Ayan. Ito yung highlights, kulay at Brazilian. Yan siya.
Okay, here we go. That other one to the left has that. And the one that's on the other side of the track from here is just so we can all get it. There it is. It's going well.
Ayan na siya guys. Yan.
There it is. Okay, that's all okay. They're back. Fine.
Ayan, nagiging tricolors ang kanyang kulay. Ayan. Nakikita niyo yan siya. Ito.
Now, the other one, Japanese. So you'll start to now pick up the Japanese themes. Which was a
Ayan ang hair transformation. Ayan.
flickering a bit.
Before and after, makikita nyo na yan.
Yes, you're seeing
Ayan,
this
guys.
stuff, and you're seeing the bigger traffic here.
Ayan na siya guys. Ayan. Diba?
Really frustrated by this flickering.
Ayan.
Mamaya baka makalap sa
Interesting shoulder.
Ayan guys. Yan siya. Before and after. Ayan. Ang ano mo dito, conditioner lang ha. Conditioner, walang shampoo.
Another thing is these are sensors.
Kaya bawat hawi mo, makikita mo yung highlights. Diba? Ayan.
But what's interesting about that just fired up.
Ayan na siya guys. So, kailangan natin lupitan ang dulo para matapos na rin siya.
It's about 20 feet away, through a muffler. And the idea is, again, you notice, why don't I come here at night? All of a sudden you just, the experiment. This is virtually silent. It's automatic, but we leave the sensors until the engineer runs it for the moment, and it clears the air, shuts down. On full display. So it acts as over there.
Ayan siya guys. So, diba? Nagiging mistisa na siya sa kulay niya. Makikita nyo naman yan ang before and after. O, see? Paghawi mo, bumabagsak agad. O, see? Yan. Ayan na siya guys. Hope ma-enjoy niya yung highlights niya at saka kulay. Parehasan sila. Ayun parang isa. Ayan nga. Yan. Ayan. Ito na rin ang isa pa sa final destination. Kung nakikita nyo kaninang buhok niya, pares lang din sa atin yan. Ayan. Parehas lang din sila ngayong kaganda. O, diba? Ayan sila. Ayan. Makikita nyo yung before and after. Ayan. Ayan guys, sinatawagan na siya. Time check, natapos kami ng alas 2 ng madaling araw. Nagsimula kami ng alas 9. Ayan, ganyan na siya. Oh. See? Alright guys, good morning sa inyong lahat dyan. Tapos na ang Peace Ganda. Okay? Bye-bye.